Good morning, Hilltown. This week we're going to be playing some field day games. I'm going to show you how to play 3 different field day games, and each one of these games is a minute to win it game, which means you have exactly 1 minute to accomplish the goal. For our first minute to win it game, all you need is a balled up piece of paper and some sort of cup. I'm using a plastic cup, but you can use a paper cup, a styrofoam cup, whatever you have. For this minute to win a game, you start with the ball of paper in your cup. From here, you have to throw the paper ball out of the cup and have it go at least to eye level. From there, you want to catch the paper ball and count how many times you can do that in 1 minute. So you want to throw it up about that high and catch it, throw it up, catch it, keep track every time you catch it, and if you drop it, that's perfectly fine. Pick it up, put it back in your cup, and keep going. And then once 60 seconds or 1 minute goes by, that will be your score. All right, I got a stopwatch set for 60 seconds. Once I start it, I'll begin right now. There goes my stopwatch. We'll get that stopped. I was able to get 29 catches in 1 minute. So your goal for this minute to win a game is to get 29 or more catches in 60 seconds and try to beat my score. For our next minute to win a game, all you need is a shoe and 2 markers. I'm using cones, but you can really use anything. The cones that I have set here are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big steps away. So when you do this minute to win a game, try to take 5 huge steps in between your markers. So for this challenge, I'm going to take one of my sneakers and I'm going to put it just on the front of my foot so that it's barely hanging on. From here, I'm going to hop on one foot, the foot that doesn't have the shoe on it, to the other marker. All right, and once I get there, I'll turn around and come back. That would be 1 point. So it would look something like this. I'm hopping on one foot, I go around the cone and all the way back for a point. And right now, I bet you're thinking, wow, my leg's gonna get really tired if I do the same leg the whole time. After you finish a lap, you can switch the shoe to the other foot so that you can hop on the other leg. Now I know what you're thinking. I've hopped on both legs. Both of my legs are exhausted. What you can do then is take your shoe, put it between your knees, and jump while keeping the shoe in between your knees for a lap. So you have 3 choices. You can put your shoe on your right foot, your left foot, or in between your knees. Or all 3. It really depends. I got 60 seconds on my stopwatch ready to go. Let's see how many laps I can do in the shoe relay race. Starting now. I was able to get 8 points. So 8 points is your score to beat for the shoe relay race game. Good luck. For our last relay race game, all you need is a ball, preferably about the size of a soccer ball. A little bit smaller would be difficult. So a ball about the size of a soccer ball and 2 markers. The goal of this game is to get the soccer ball from this cone to that cone and back for 1 point. The catch is I have to be volleying the ball the entire time. So I can volley it with my hands all the way, or I can try to volley it with my feet all the way. You want to try your best to not let the ball hit the ground because that's going to slow you down. But if it does hit the ground, that's perfectly fine. You just pick it back up where it was and continue your relay race from where it landed on the ground. Going from this cone to that cone and back is 1 point. I'm going to see how many points I can score in 1 minute. I got my 1 minute timer ready to go. I got my soccer ball. Let's see how many points I can score in this volleying relay race. Starting now. I was able to get 6 points for my volleying relay race game. So 6 is a number I want you to try to beat. So I know it's a total bummer we weren't able to have field day at school this year, but I'm hoping playing these games will help you get a little bit of a field day experience this year. If you're able to get videos or photos of you performing these field day relay races or the paper ball toss game, please send them to me. I'd like to see them, and I can include them in our compilation video of everyone being active on Mondays. So get outside and play these games this week. I hope you have a field day with them.